Is should have been from Stanton, but actually there was no parking, so we've driven to Stanway and we're gonna walk to Winchcombe. So it's probably going to be about 6.5 miles. That's the Cotswold way there, where those people are. So we're gonna join it shortly and yeah, have a good walk. So I'm with Matthew. So we've had to park one car at one end and one at the other. So we're in a place called Stanway in the Cotswolds. Very pretty. I'm hoping I might see some baby sheep today. Oh, I have seen one. There's one, look. Oh, haven't seen any baby sheep on my week walks yet. So yeah, it's lovely. So Cotswold stone is this golden colour. It's rather pretty. God, look at the detail in that door. An old mill building there. Spring. God, it's very pretty. I think we're going up, Matt. Just comparing the Cotswold Way to the Ridgeway so far, and definitely Cotswold Way's prettier, but it's a different time of year that I'm doing it, so that could be why. But the blossom's out and I'm puffing already. Primroses. Ancient field, you can tell by the dips, the undulating dips in the field. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. A place called Stanway. Looking out for the signs for the Cotswold Way. Might need to check my map.
Definitely
bees. Wow, I've never heard such noisy bees.
I had an interesting thought.
Flying out of Stanway and just having a look round because I need to catch my breath. So yeah, it's a lumpy old hill, this. You can see the Malvern Hills in the far distance.
Should we go for a dip?
There's a swimming pool there. Yeah, maybe not. So this place is called Lower Cotswold. It's quite pretty. Well, it's quite high up, but I think we're going to go even higher. So some earthworks, could be an old abbey, but we've looked at the map. And so I use Trailblazer guides, they're quite good, but unless you're following them constantly, it's easy to lose your place on them, especially when you're in the middle of the countryside and you don't really know where you are on the map. So, but yeah, it's nice. Down from the hill here. There's a campsite here on the Cotswold Way called Hale Farm. I think it's Hale Fruit and Farm Shop or something. That's a little campsite there. So yeah, in case you're sort of thinking of doing a through walk or whatever they call it nowadays.
Through walk.
Through walk, yeah. It's a new word for. Oh, look at that over there.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's the monastery then. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, we're going to have a closer look at that. Hales Abbey is open, but you've got to pre-book your tickets. So, yeah, it looks quite nice. So, we're going to find somewhere else to have our lunch. I think we're going to go and sit by the church. And we're going to sit here for our lunch. So this happened today. I broke my stick for my GoPro and we were on a walk, and so I just had this doing my filming, and I put it in the pocket of my coat, and then when I went to do some filming it had gone. And so we thought we'd lost it, so we went and looked for it in fields and by the Abbey, which is where I think I last did my videoing, and we couldn't find it. So I checked my rucksack, couldn't find it. So anyway, I've come home really sad, thinking I'd lost my GoPro. I was trying to work out how many miles, sorry Matt's here, work out how many miles I sort of used it and walked with it, and it's probably about 3,000 miles ish.
I don't know. Yeah.
And the holidays, and not that I have an attachment to like a camera, I don't, but so we had some great plans that I'd just buy a new one and not get too upset, and then I just found it in my rucksack, so I haven't lost it at all. So yeah, you won't have a lot of my last walk on video because I thought I'd lost my GoPro, but that's why. I need to be more careful in future.